In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create objectives in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, make sure your game is published. If you haven't done that yet, just click collaborate in the top right corner and publish it so all features are available. Now head over to the toolbox. Make sure you are in the Creator Store tab. Then type Objective Kit into the search bar and press enter. Choose the objective kit that appears. Then insert it into your game. Next, go to the Explorer panel. You'll see 4 new folders inside the kit: Replicated Storage, Server Script Service, Starter Guide, and Workspace. Drag each folder into its matching location inside your game's Explorer. Replicated Storage folder goes into Replicated Storage, Server Script Service into Server Script Service, and so on. After that, right-click each folder you just placed and choose Ungroup. Do this for all 4 folders. Now you can start customizing your objectives. Inside Server Storage, double-click the Objective Setup script. Here you'll see code that defines what needs to be collected. By default, it says wood. You can change that to anything you want like fabric, metal, or gems. You can also change how many items are required. For example, if it has been set to 3 but you want the player to collect 5, just replace the number. Then duplicate the wood piece object so there are 5 in total. If you want to customize the item itself, go to the wood piece, double-click the proximity prompt, and then open the script. From there, you can edit the text or behavior to match your game's theme, and that's it. You have now set up objectives in Roblox Studio. Players will be able to collect items, track their progress, and complete tasks in your game. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.